Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My channel is called grwm, and I basically talk about makeup. I do unboxings, but this one is not to do with any of those. This one is about books, I like at the minute. And this one is where I particularly like. I like two of them, but this one is really good. Now, I am not really a book reader. I get so bored with them, but this one is really good. And the second one that I do like is this one. I think that she is so funny, Scarlett Moffat. I really do. I love her. She's so funny. I watched Gogglebox and I laughed my head off at that. That was so hilariously funny. I like this one. It's the grand old time. It says life begins at 75. And what it is about, well, I'll read a little bit of it to you and you can see what I mean. It says, first of all, this is the grand old time by Judy Lee of Avon, I think it is. And it says, thanks to Kieran and Keen Katera and to Rachel Falconer Wilcox and her team at Avon Harper Collins for being incredible and making this novel become real. So this is who helped her. And what this is about, it says, for Irene, chapter 1, she bounced up and down on the edge of her bed, still her nightie, when the creaking stopped, the silence closed around her. Yeah, it really is quite a good book. You get so many chapters in it. But I think that, yeah, well, I don't really think that age has anything to do with it. It's how you react, isn't it? 75 is just a number. And so, yeah, I haven't read it all, but this is a funny, heartwarming debut, but perfect for fans of Rachel Joyce and Dawn French. So it's a comedy sort of book. So there we go. You'll see my latest buys. This one's Scarlett Moffat. Now, I had this one on Audible, and I thought, well, I'm going to get the book because I really want it in writing. And there we go, Scarlett Moffat. So here we go. Introduction. This one has an introduction, does it? See, right, okay, so we'll just get straight to the introduction. The introduction, so far so good. 1, everyone starts out as an asshole. Everyone starts out as an asshole. Number 2, how is evaporated milk there if it's already evaporated? And number 3, if you like pina coladas and getting caught in the rain. Oh my gosh. 4, strictly is Scarlett. And 5 is Bikes and Bells. And 6 is Do You Want to Go to the Prom with Me? And 7 is Quarter Liter of Vodka and a Blue Panda Pop, please. And 8 is Dad Said I'm in his favourites. Sorry. Number 9, do you need a bag with that? And number 10, irony, getting burgled dressed as a burglar. Ooh, wow. Number 11, those dark, dull days. And chapter 12, you want me to watch the TV for a living? Well, that was her on Gogglebox, wasn't it? So, yeah, so she did get paid for it, I suppose. Number 13, Scarlett Moffat to Scarlett No Fat. She went on a diet and she lost a lot of weight. And 14, let's get ready to go to the jungle. And that was when she went in the jungle. Oh, sorry if you can get my shoes. There's my shoes in there. I should have put them away. And it says 15, I'm not quite a celebrity, get me out of here. And she was in that as well. She did quite a few TV programs. And number 16, and the new Queen of the Jungle. She won that because she was so fantastic in that program. She just was so funny. So yeah, 17 is Christmas time, cold mashed potato and wine. 18, London and its smashed avocado. 19, Saturday night takeaway, and mine's a chicken kebab, that's what she says. And 19 is Gwana, it's Mary Bleeding Poppins. That's number 20. And 21, The Time I Watched Jeremy Kyle with Kevin Bacon. That would be interesting. So the 22, this is Street Mate. She was in that program as well. And 23, Cross My Palm with Silver. And epilogue, the young girl with her, I can't pronounce it, plates, fable, acknowledgements. Wow. So yeah, she's been in quite a bit of programs. She's done well, and I really do like her book, as you'll see. That's what I like. So what I was thinking of is, if you would like to let me know what sort of books you like to read. These are the books I love to read, and these. So yeah, let me know in the comments what books you like to read. Oh, sorry, that was my mistake. Let me know in the comments what books you're interested in, and I would just love to know. So yep, and as always, press that little button that says subscribe, and subscribe to my channel, and press the bell for notifications of when I upload. And I shall see you all in my next video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.